The squad is out for a day of carnage. I do like that word. Carnage is great. Here's a... I'm behind a 450. This is not going to be good. This is not going to be good. So he's got a Honda CRF 450 in front, and he's converted it to Enduro. So changed the flywheel weight, gearing, suspension, all the stuff. And so it should be a bit of a weapon. This is slick. Wow. Alternate line, I reckon. Oh. Love these days. Trails, trails, trails. Wow. Wow. Oh, don't you just love a video? I say a video, a ride really, but it's nice to record when loads of people are out. It just adds a little bit more finesse, a little bit more carnage. I say finesse and carnage don't actually go together as words, but anyway, if you can finesse some carnage, go for it. Can't see the ground. God, this is horrible when you can't see the floor. Wow, 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 what is underneath? Can't see anything. It's horrible not seeing the floor, isn't it?
Yeah, it's fucking really horrible.
What's a stunt, mate? Thumbs up, boy. Good photo there. Hopefully no bumps. I don't know. Or you know, after riding the 150, you do get a little bit more confident on the 300. Sometimes I think maybe a little bit too confident. Need the suspension done on this 300 for sure. It's a little bit twitchy. It's good, but can be loads better. Oh, I love these nights. Need to do this more before the end of summer, even though this is great weather. It's warm, it's just cloudy. Whoa! Yeah, but I don't know if he knows where he's going. Yeah, I definitely would. Look, I'm not following him, look. Where am I going? Still a gap. I'll do. Whoa. That's quite deep, isn't it? There's just no traction then, was it? Too much power. It's heavy, that, isn't it? You want a nice light enduro bike. God, that thing's torquey. I can't see it. Thank you, sir. Why is he in there? What the hell? Oh yeah, hill climb. Well, slope climb. Oh, I know. That's not good. That's not good at all. Are we gonna move from here? Wonder if we can go that side. Oh, that stinks. That stinks. Hill climb, baby. Let's do a hill climb. Well, this looks horrible now. We have to crawl up, don't we? Plenty of grip today. Wow! Oh, if only we had nice weather and good views, but we don't. Whoa! Why is it raining? Why? Whoa! This is summer, baby! Oh, don't you just love it? I feel like I'm a hot pot in a freezer, weirdly. Oh! Landing ended badly. God, these are tight single tracks. I don't like them. Whoa, I don't like them at all. Whoa. God, as soon as you sit down, it's over. No! She gone! Did that without dabbing, bruh. And it's always good to enjoy the view That's what makes it worth the effort to get to the top of something. Even though that wasn't much effort at all, because I'm amazing. But other than that, other than my talent, any struggle, enjoy this. Bit of rain and cloud. Riding with the boys. Well, it's been an awesome time. It's getting dark now, so I'm going to head home. So as always, thanks for watching. Ride safe, and I'll catch you next one. Peace.